Hello everyone, want to see a comic strip getting inked? You need to check my video out. Hello, it's me, your old pal Max West. As you know, I draw children's picture books. I also do comics. This is a Poison Ivy Gulch comic strip that's going to be running this month in July, or this coming month, July. Today is the last day of June as I film this. Alright. So I've got an interesting lineup here. I've got Justice of the Peace, Wiley Oates, the Law, I have Martial Art, and I have the local Undertaker, Rhaegar Mortis here. And they've made an interesting discovery. Alright, here. Alright, so I got my brush, dip it in my jar of water, and I dip it in my jar of ink. I use black waterproof India ink. Alright, we're going to start here. I'm going to mask in that big hat there that the judge wears. Oh yeah, now that's starting to look good. I mean, yeah, just take a look at that. That big area of black ink that stands out in contrast to the white areas on the page. It'll look even better once I add more in. Here, let's get some more light. Alright. After I mask in the black areas, there's still much to do. I have to correct a few mistakes on the page. Yeah, this area here on the panel border. Got to do some patterns, mainly with the pen. I'm going to work with the technical drawing pen. I'm going to do some of that. And I have to sign the page. I don't think I'm going to be able to do all of that in this video. But we'll see. Yeah. Now when you're drawing comics, you'll want to use a waterproof black ink, sort of like this. You know, if the bottle says non-waterproof, water-based, or water-soluble, stay away from it, because it'll smear on the page. I use waterproof India ink. Acrylic ink is another good one to use. It's much like acrylic paint. That is completely insoluble when it's dry. Alright, let's just work in here the black vest that the marshal is wearing. Oh yeah, then we have to do the frock coat there. The long coat that the Undertaker wears. Yeah, it's going to be that one there. There he is. Alright, let's just mask this in, his mouth.